Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Kaze as usual. Today we're playing on Forza Horizon 3 again because I got the new DLC. I don't know how new it is, I think it came out in December. It's called Blizzard Mountain, and it's pretty self-explanatory in the name. By that I mean it's a big mountain. And there's snow, ice, blizzards and shit. Stuff you're not used to in the base game because it's warmer weather over here. But let's hop to it. Let's hop into it. Whatever. Same shit.
Hey, Raven. Ready for a change of scenery? Warren's just finished prepping the car you'll be driving. And because I'm sure you're eager to get going, I've organized some transportation. Courtesy of Horizon, of course. Wait, you're not afraid of heights, are you?
No, I'm not. Looks like we're taking a ride in a chopper. A nice-ass chopper. Alright, looks like we got, snow kangaroos. You know, he didn't seem to give a shit that a chopper just flew over him with a car. I feel like he should have been scared, but he kinda just took it like a champ. Like Abraham in Walking Dead. Rip. What is this music? Some weird-ass music. It's like some kids singing. Not really a fan of kids choir music. Like that garbage PlayStation commercial where they take a good song and have little kids do it. Some wannabe epic choir version of it. Sounds like shit. Alright, let's do this. That you will. Hey, let's give this a go. I think this isn't my car. They let me use it to just start, I think. I think it has like some snow tires or something, because I'm driving pretty smooth on the snow, and I know a lot of cars don't. Look at that scenery, though. Let's just take a second to look at that. I'm kind of growing on this music. Thought I'd hate it, but it oddly mixes well. Alright, this scenery's just killing me. I think today we should do some driving around. Just look at the shit, you know? We'll do a few races, but I want to get a good view of everything.
Looks like you got company.
Starting to not mind this music. You know, it's not a race, we're just, all these cars are going together, we're all pals, but I kinda just want to beat them. Well, look at this dude, now I definitely want to beat him. You're trying to pit maneuver me in there? Get out of here, boy. What the hell was that about? My cat's here talking to me about it, she's even agreeing with me. So pretty. Definitely, I'll say it again, one of the most beautiful games I've ever played, hands down. Get some good hang time. Big jump. Let's just look at everything real quick, how pretty it all is. Can't get over it.
Hold up on that frozen lake, boss. As long as it stays frozen.
Frozen lake. Imagine there's some races on there, and it's probably pretty hard to keep your traction. Probably spin out quite often.
Did you just... I think a child built that.
Oh shit! Let's take a look at that real quick. Did I just slap a snowman? Yeah, I did indeed. Well, I just ruined some little kid's dreams. Probably some kid that's singing a song.
There you are in one piece. Never doubted you for a second.
Yeah, never doubt me. Fool. Pop a flare. Start the festival, I assume. Yep. Good start. I really don't mind that music at all now. I kind of like it. I might go add it on my iPod and listen to the regular version. See if it's actually legit. Alright, let me guess. Discounted cars?
All right, boss.
Oh, free cars, even better. Usually when you open a new festival or upgrade one, they give you, like, discounts. Leaning towards a Subaru, though.
I'll set it up with snow
Like it better than those others. Nice car. Looking good. Get a full view of this beast. Alright. Let's take it for a spin.
Hey, Raven. Welcome to Blizzard Mountain. This is King of the Mountain, a tournament to crown Horizon's best driver on snow and ice. Since you've got more than enough fans already, we'll be awarding stars instead. Earn stars to progress through each round of the tournament. Win enough and you'll reach the Kingmaker. Win that, and the crown is yours.
Alright, did you guys catch that? I hope so, because I don't feel like explaining it. So you can rewind it if you didn't. Let's go hit up this first race. Take this nice Subaru for a spin. Okay, so I chose to go with the Ford Raptor for the first race. I couldn't take that Subaru. But this thing seems pretty nice for a Ford. I had a couple challenges, or one challenge. So to get 1 star, I have to finish the race. 2 stars, win the race. 3 stars, win the race, and get 8 E-Drift skills. See, I already got 7. Easy as shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these E-Drifts out first. But there it is, done. So now I can just focus on racing. And running into walls. Can't even talk. Alright, coming up on these guys, get a couple passes in here. Barely hit that checkpoint. Goofy looking Hummer. Feel bad for the people who have to clean up this shit. Just knocking all this stuff over. I know it's fake, but let's just imagine it's real. Oh, here comes the weather. Look at that. The blizzard rolling in. Fucking Jeep that won't get out of my way. Definitely harder to see. This Raptor already has snow tires installed, so I'm not having an issue with control really. As you can tell, aside from my own dumbass driving, running into things. Alright, pass this guy, take first. Yep. Let's finish it off. And we are going to take first place. There we go. Good way to start off the festival.
Great
Or
driving.
DLC, whatever the hell you want to call it.
Basics, showing people how you came to be boss in the first place. This is good for you.
Yeah, I'm a pro. Not really. Let's collect some goods. That's not very good. Not bad of XP, not that great either.
Well then, just when
pick up all 3 stars though.
You break out a drive like that. Have 3 stars.
Yeah, so you won fans in the other one, like you'd win 2,000 fans for winning a race, and the more fans you got. By the other one I mean the base game, non-DLC. But anyways, yeah, that's how you upgraded festivals and all that good stuff. Decided to switch cars to take out this nice classic Camaro. Believe it or not, this thing has snow tires on it already. So, let's look at that scenery. Can't get over it. Yeah, I love this thing. I also designed this after Transformers, Bumblebee in the first movie. As well, we'll just do some driving around, take a look at the map and everything. Knock some shit over it while we're going. So pretty. Yeah, I'm probably gonna say that 10 more times. Ooh, busted that speed trap too. Restart it. There we go. That should push us. Yeah, I think that just pushed us over the limit for. Yep, there we go.
Hey, boss. I found the event schedule unattended on Kira's desk. Look, she just left it there, so I made some, adjustments. Here's what, we came up with.
Set up that danger sign. And that was anticlimactic of a jump. We're gonna hit that danger sign, but let's climb this mountain first, just because. Pretty good drift right there, if I don't say so myself.
Turn left.
Alright, we're getting there. Let's hit the top later. Let's just hit up this danger sign, but we did climb a pretty good way up.
Turn left. In 400 yards, turn right. Turn right.
I love these danger signs. I'm sure you guys remember me in the last video explaining it as hitting a rock. No, but hitting like a ramp, and it's a jump, and you have to travel a certain amount of meters to get it. Let's see right here.
400 yards.
This thing's a monster. I've upgraded the hell out of it, so probably hit it at a pretty good speed. Shit. Maybe not. This thing picks up real quick though.
What's up, Horizon?
Alright, here we go. Yep, I got good speed. Let's do this. Oh yeah. If that doesn't get 3 stars, then I don't know what will.
Some extremely cool racing and some exceptionally
There we
chilled-out
go.
tunes. As long as you stay locked right here.
Killing it on the stars so far. Oh, here's the good song again. Too bad we're about to do a race and it'll change. Let's see what we got. Reach the summit before dark. Sounds easy enough. Say that, but I think this one's ranked easy. I assume, since we're still on the first level. Alright, let's get to the summit. See, we were gonna go up top anyways.
Turn left.
Yeah, see, I think that's black ice right there, but this thing is equipped for it. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool though that they added features like that. Black ice and... just smart how they come up with this shit. I remember for the first Forza Horizon game, they didn't really have off-roading, but one of the DLCs was called Storm Island, and I think it did.
400 yards.
I'm pretty sure it had off-roading and all that, and it was just a really stormy weather island. It was pretty sweet. It's pretty cool though, like the base game already has so much to it and they add this full-on expansion. It was $20, but it's absolutely worth it in my opinion. I'm probably gonna get a shitload of gameplay out of this.
400 yards. Turn sharp left.
I mean, it's a whole massive map on its own. That's the DLCs I like, ones that add full-blown expansions, not just a couple little shitty maps or something like Call of Duty. Take a shortcut. Alright, we're not going too fast up this shortcut now, are we? Oh, come on. This thing starts rolling back downhill, I'm gonna be pissed. I'll have to start this whole damn thing all over again. Come on, little donkey. Come on.
Turn left.
We're good, we're good. We're good. Still got 30 seconds to spare. Alright, good shit. That was pretty easy, actually.
Turn left.
Nice! Since you obviously love ticking these off, there's more challenges where that came from.
Shitty credit reward. Not that great XP either. I'm close to leveling up though. With that extra star, I think 20 was for the next round. Oh, well shit. We spawned all the way back down here. I wanted to be at the top. Okay, almost there. Hold on though. I gotta hit this XP sign right here. Ooh, it's a 20,000 too. That's definitely gonna, yep, level up. We're gonna hit our wheels, hopefully level up again, and we'll hit the wheel spins at the end of this session. Almost to the top though. Looks like here we are. Random ass shack at the top. Maybe that'll be a barn find. That'll unlock later in the game. Alright, back to business. Let's just fly out. Okay, let's not fly off here. Let's try that again. Let's just see if we can fly off the mountain real quick. There we go. Can't even see. Alright, that was glitchy. I feel like we were pretty far in the air and then we just got slammed under the ground. There we are, back at the same spot. Do a little barrel roll. Kinda like it how you can't see shit as you're going down this hill.
Next one is a skill song, which means you're earning
Skill song.
skill scores for the duration.
Skill songs, she just explained it, but I talked over it because I'm stupid, but when the song plays, your multiplier is like drastically higher. Looks like we leveled up again. But yeah, so yeah, your skill chain just gets a lot higher, a lot quicker. See, it's times 6 right now, so it'll be 8 times 6 if we end it here. Looks like we will not keep it going. We're gonna end up getting too cocky and lose it. Just watch. Oh no, 56,000, pretty solid. Oh, Warthog. I know we got a skill song going, but I can't resist this. Gonna be going in a Halo Warthog. One of my favorite vehicles in this game, just because it's from Halo. Should be good then. When pigs fly. Gonna make this thing fly or something? Yep. Looks like we're gonna do a
Safe to do so.
danger zone. Danger sign. Danger zone. Oh, this is the same one I hit earlier and got 3 stars on. Should be no problem. Especially in my favorite beast. I have to hit 258. Wait, what? No, 358. God damn it. Alright, well, let's try again. Alright, get hype. Halo music's starting too. Here we go. Let's jump. Come on, don't hit that edge. God damn it, really? Just tried to hit it from a different angle. Third time's a goddamn charm. Let's do this! Oh yeah, getting good speed on this one. What? Felt like. Oh my god, and it was worse. It was literally worse. Failed to beat official FH3. Come on. Come on, it's looking good. Oh my god. Okay. What the fuck was that? Because I didn't... Get that. Oh my god. Because I hit a tree, it says jump failed. It's okay though. I'm not gonna scream. I'm not gonna scream. I'm screaming! Oh my god, 2 feet. 2 feet! This thing. I'm selling all my goddamn Warthog Wreck packs in Halo 5. All of them. We did it! We did it! We did it! We're going to Vegas! We're going to Vegas! We're going to goddamn Vegas. Oh my god, that was nightmarish. I'm gonna have nightmares about that. I might actually have nightmares about this. I'm gonna be there laying in bed all peacefully, start twitching and shit, seeing the Warthog flying through the air, 2 feet short, or ram into a goddamn tree so it doesn't count. Take my goddamn Camaro, ram this thing. Yeah, take that, piece of shit. Let's see if we can plow this speed trap. I think we can. Civilians don't get in the way. Yep. Come on, 3. Yeah. Give me 3. Alright. What's next on the agenda? Should we just drive around for a second? No. Let's do this. Go with the Warthog, even though it really pissed me off just now. Alright, if the Warthog serves me well, though, I'll forgive it. This challenge might be kind of difficult, though. We'll see how I do. Some good hang time. I like these races so far. Holy shit. Done that a million times in Halo. Good pass. Oh, don't bank those points yet. So much to get. 175,000. Oh, driving across the lake. This could get messy. Well, 111,000 is a pretty good start. Only halfway through the race, I should be able to get it. Oh no, I'm not getting any points right now. And I'm only getting a couple at a time. Well, look at this dude just flying past me. Might not even win the race. Oh, look, I got him. He's slowing down on that turn. I think I can draft behind him and catch up. Come on. Close to the end. There we go. I think we... Yep. Good shit. Barely got first place there. Pretty solid race. I don't blame the hog. I will forgive it for shafting me right before.
Pretty slick. That's a solid 2-star performance. But we both know you can do better.
Jeez, can't just say good job. Or throw in the, you know you can do better. Fuck you. You're not racing. Okay, let's switch these cars up. Let's try something you guys haven't seen. I don't know what to do. You know what? Let's take out the little Iron Man car I made. It's a cute little thing. Actually, this probably is a really bad idea. It does not have snow tires. And it's just not made for snow.
Hey, boss. You sure you don't want me to put snow tires on that for you?
Yeah, see? What I just said. We'll just find something else to do. Like wheel spins. Pretty decent. Could be better. Oh, I would have liked that 75k, but 45 is alright too. Give me something good. Huh, not bad. Never upset about winning a car. Let's see, pay 50,000, see if we get anything good. Nope, so I lost 10,000, but oh well.
Boss, you'll probably find it easier if I put snow tires on the car. Come
Yeah,
back to the
yeah,
garage.
yeah, I
I'll
get
you
it.
fixed up.
See, it's just crazy fast, but I can't imagine this thing handling well out in the snow. Alright, so we're gonna try a little experiment here. Use a car with no snow tires on a race that has a lot of black ice and see how terribly this goes. I expect to spin out multiple times. Holy shit, holy shit. Yeah, this is gonna be rough. This thing is neither designed for the snow, nor does it have snow tires. We still get the little challenge, the wreckage thing. Oh man, 12th place, we're so far behind already. Look at that. Well, I'm gaining a little momentum here. It's hard to crash and spin out when it's a straight line. Oh, and there we go. RIP. Look at that. And it only gets worse. All those bots are probably laughing. Jackass should have used snow tires. Yeah. Alright, hitting the final stretch. Pretty sure everyone else is done by now, past the finish line. A while ago. Back when I was at 80%. Alright, well at least I'll get 2 stars, one for finishing and one for doing the wreckage. 12th place! Really one of the first times I ever gotten 12th. Well guys, there's your preview of Blizzard Mountain. Look at it, it's beautiful. I'm gonna tear this game up. I'm gonna be on this a lot. Hopefully you guys liked it. But yeah, let me know what you thought. And I will see you next time.